What if you could spot under-the-radar stocks before they explode? That's exactly what Seeking Alpha helps investors do. From proprietary quant ratings to expert insights and customizable screeners, it's built to give you an edge most traders will never see coming. In this quick 2-minute video, I'll show you how Seeking Alpha works and why it's become my go-to tool for finding breakout stocks early. Let's get straight to the point. Seeking Alpha's strong buy stock picks have outperformed the S&P 500 by more than 4 to 1. That's not marketing fluff, that's based on real data. So while most investors are chasing headlines or reacting late, you could be identifying high potential plays before they hit the mainstream. So how does Seeking Alpha actually help you find these early winners? Let me break down the tools that give you the edge. Quant Ratings is their proprietary system that ranks thousands of stocks from strong buy to strong sell based on real fundamentals, not the hype and popularity or that stuff. It's like having a data-driven analyst working 24/7 to help you spot overlooked opportunities. Also, factor grades, so you get daily grades for valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and earnings revisions. In just seconds, you'll know whether a stock actually fits your strategy or if it's just noise. Investment idea categories. You can explore long ideas, sector-specific picks, and trending stocks, all updated in real time. It's the fastest way to uncover high-conviction trades in sectors you care about. Their screener and portfolio alerts mean that you can build custom screeners, track performance, and get email or mobile alerts the second something changes in your holdings. And one of Seeking Alpha's biggest strengths? It's not just data, it's perspective. You get insights from thousands of investors, analysts, and contributors with real skin in the game. The community helps you cut through bias, challenge assumptions, and stay ahead of market shifts. So, if you're serious about finding great stocks before the crowd catches on, Seeking Alpha delivers the research, tools, and the edge you need. It's not free, but if one solid stock pick pays for the membership 10 times over, is it really expensive? Click the link in the description for our exclusive discount and get your trading edge. Still undecided and want more details? Check out our full review, also linked in the description below. Stop guessing, start investing with confidence. Find your next breakout stock before anyone else does.